Well, hi. Here's Bill.
And Tara.
We'll live for your die. So we got the birds, a new condo. Dink and Bub getting themselves a new home. So Dink is hand raised, so he's pretty easy. We haven't handled him in a while. Can you calm down over there? See, now he's all flighty because of that jerk. So see him, you can actually take him out of his cage and pet him. Or her, we still don't know. Little nibbles. The other one's going to bite me like crazy, so. But they're probably going to be overwhelmed.
With the space.
With all the space they have. Let's turn this light off. Should make it a little bit darker.
Too dark. Oh, for him.
Yeah, just so he can kind of, he's not going to be fun to catch, I can tell you that right now. Come here. Calm down. What are you doing, crazy monkey? I know, you're going to bite me. I'm ready for it. That's what happens when you don't handle them forever. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, turn that back on. Turn on. They're probably gonna be a little overwhelmed at first with the size of this cage, but look at the size of that thing. It's like a condo. It's a bird condo. So has these crazy big doors on it.
And you'll see in the next video when we put it together. So I didn't know that the two big doors like have grand door openings until Billy opened it to like do stuff with it when we were changing the birds into it. So I struggled sticking my arm up the top middle hole trying to reach the top so I could clip the toys on, which I could barely do because I'm not a bird person. It's my first cage. Anyway, it would be helpful if they showed you those doors opened. But I'm behind the camera when Billy does it, and I'm like, really? That would have helped tremendously. So anyway, keep going. We got a swing and then two toys. And then there's this big ladder that goes from the top of this side down here. So again, if I'd have known that big door opened, it would have been a great help. But I'm struggling to put the ladder into the door. I still did it, but it would have been helpful if they showed that opened. That's just my opinion. Anyway, that's just because of my first cage, I guess. And stay tuned for the video of when we move the parakeets into the cage. And just imagine, and I might put a little wording up there about how I'm behind the camera going, really? That would have helped. Just helped to know.
And then those doors, like you could, if you wanted to, you could hook a breeding box on up here if you wanted to. I don't plan on reading these, but actually, that's what this one is. I just don't know how to open it.
We got this one on Amazon.
Because you hooked the ladder to
Oh,
it,
yes.
which is fine. Yeah, it came from Amazon. I think it was $50.
I was afraid of leaving too
look
many.
what it has. Look.
Yeah.
Locks.
Oh, okay. I didn't even notice that.
Because of this one here, we'll try to open them. You can definitely tell he was hand raised. And we have a little surprise coming for you bird people. Could be a couple weeks out, but you'll have to stay tuned and watch. But
they got a nice little ladder.
Yeah.
A couple little hanging toys, a swing.
You know, it might work better.
What?
Is if I hooked the C hooks to the very top of it. You know, see what I'm talking about? Like if I did it through. Look, just so, I mean, I don't think the birds care that it's uneven. I really don't think they care. But to me,
yeah.
And to you, it'd probably drive us crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, on the finch front, there must have been 3 babies. She did kick one out. I found it. It was expired on the bottom of the cage. I wonder if can you hold the bottom of the cage? Just pause for a second. Just for stability. How about just for stability?
Well, yeah, it could. Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is what you're supposed to hang it by.
Yeah.
That pulls up, and it was making it hang crooked. But what we did was hook it to a more solid line over here. Let's see how that works. Yes, that's a lot better.
Oh, where are they going? Where are you going? Where are you guys going?
That's cool.
Like a merry-go-round? You're freaked out, aren't you? Sorry, guys. Yeah,
you'll love it. You'll love it. Right, where do we dance now? We got 3 little sticks to dance on, a ladder, stuff to swing off of.
What's that gap about up there? I guess.
What gap?
There's a gap in between. I mean, they can't get out of it, but I just noticed it. See it? Right there.
Oh.
I don't think that'll be a problem. What are you doing there, bub? I guess you'd be a bubette, wouldn't you? All right.
Well, this will be Parakeet update one because we haven't really kept up with Parakeets. So.
Calm down, dude. You are a freaky freak. Let me get some food.
Hi, bye. Live free or die.